So today I'm sharing a Lego set that is perfect for that I want to build it myself and then play with it all afternoon age. This is the Lego City Rides Firetruck, and in my video you're going to see my grandson Elijah here, and he is 5, putting it together on his own. And I just want to say, I love how Lego truly grows with kids. You start with the Duplos when they're tiny, little toddlers, and then one day you look up and they're building real Legos like it's no big deal. And honestly, it doesn't stop there. Lego is one of those things that can follow you all the way into adulthood, and I think that's part of the magic. So let's talk about this Firetruck set. It's a smaller, take-along style build, and it's only 67 pieces, so it's not very overwhelming. And it doesn't turn into a whole, all-day production. This is the kind of set that works great for quick, little wins. Kids get that satisfaction of finishing it, and then they can immediately jump into pretend play. Oh my goodness, Eli and Isaac do a lot of pretend play. And if you're a parent or grandparent, you already know the faster they can get to, look what I made, the happier everyone is. Now here's something I really like. The ladder actually raises and lowers. That one little moving feature makes a big difference because it turns the build into a play tool, not just something that sits there. And if you want to stretch the playtime, this is one of my favorite little tricks. You can turn it into a rescue mission game. Have them park the truck, raise the ladder, and save something small like a little kitten, a little toy animal, a dog. Kids just love a mission, and it keeps them engaged without you having to constantly entertain. Also, this set has chunky rubber tires, and that matters more than you think. It rolls smoothly, it grips better on different surfaces, and it feels sturdy in little hands. So whether you're playing on hardwood, tile, a rug, or even a tabletop, it doesn't feel flimsy or frustrating. And anything that reduces frustration is a win in my book. You also get a junior firefighter minifigure. And that's another big yes for storytelling, because once they have a character, the whole thing becomes a little world. And if your child is anything like our little grandkids, they'll start narrating their own story. There's a fire, we have to go. It's creative play, but it's also confidence building because they're directing the action, making decisions, and problem solving as they go. Now let me give you a few tips and tricks, especially if you're buying Legos for a 5-year-old or you're trying to make build time go smoother. Tip number 1, set up a build zone. Nothing fancy, just a small tray, a placemat, or a cookie sheet. It keeps pieces from sliding off the table, and it makes cleanup so much easier. Tip number 2, before they start building, have them do a quick piece check. Not a serious inventory, just a simple, let's spread them out and see what we have. It helps kids feel in control, and it prevents that moment where they think something is missing when it's really just like hiding under the instructions. Tip number 3, when they get stuck, try not to grab it right away. I know it's tempting, but instead ask, do you think this piece goes on top or on the side? Giving them 2 choices helps them learn without feeling corrected. And now, tip number 4, once it's built, keep the instructions, because kids love to rebuild and take it apart and rebuild like mine do. And it's a great rainy day activity when you want something quiet and focused to do. And one more thing I love about sets like this, they're great for travel because it's compact, it's not 1,000 pieces, and it's easy to bring along to grandma's house, a hotel, or even just to keep in a little quiet activity bin. It's a sweet gift idea too, birthday, reward, or just a thinking of you little surprise. So if you have a young builder who loves vehicles, pretend play, and that proud, I built it myself moment, this little fire truck is such a fun pick. And watching Elijah build it, honestly, was the best part for me. That's the kind of memory you don't forget. And my home sweet home tip is this: when you find a toy that encourages focus and imagination, keep it in your rotation, because those are the ones that truly get played with again and again. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, like and follow.